How to remove a Gmail account or Google account from Android. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can remove a Gmail or Google account from your Android device. Now, if you know that if you head over to Gmail account, the application, then you won't be able to see the sign out option there at all. Now, how you can remove a account from your device, right? First, you want to head into your device settings. On your settings, what you can do is you can simply head into the option that says account and backup. Once there, you want to tap on manage accounts option, and now you'll be able to see the list of accounts that your device has. Then you want to simply tap on a particular Gmail or the Google account that you wish to sign out from, and once you tap on it, you'll see the remove account option. You want to tap on remove and it'll get removed from your devices. So this is the only way that you can remove a Google account or a Gmail account from Android. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.